In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable suggestions in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that turns off those recommended actions and prompts, so your boards stay clean and focused on what matters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello. This is a quick way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, click the official Trello link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Trello's familiar branding and login options. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Use your usual account so the change applies where you work. Once you're on Trello, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. It may show your photo or your initials inside a small circle. Click that avatar to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area, where Trello centralizes personal preferences and controls that affect how the app behaves for you. Inside Settings, locate the option labeled Disable Suggestions. This control is designed to stop Trello from surfacing automated recommendations, such as prompts to try features, add power-ups, or take suggested actions on your boards or cards. Click Disable Suggestions to turn this behavior off. In most cases, the change is immediate and does not require saving. If you see a confirmation or toggle, follow what's shown on your screen. A couple of quick tips while you're here. First, if your organization manages Trello for you, some interface elements might look slightly different, but the Disable Suggestions option still lives in your personal settings. Second, if you use multiple Trello accounts, make sure you're adjusting the correct one by glancing at the email or username shown in the header of the settings page before making the change. And if you ever want suggestions back, for example, to discover new features, you can return to this same spot and re-enable them at any time. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Trello, open the official site, click your profile at the top right, open Settings, and click Disable Suggestions. With suggestions turned off, your Trello experience should feel calmer and more predictable, letting you focus on your boards, lists, and cards without extra nudges. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Trello workflow.